Hello students, welcome to Bridge Academy. Grade 9 Biology Unit 1 tutorials. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Lesson 6, Handling and Using Microscope. In this video lesson, we will learn how to handle and use a microscope. A light microscope is a delicate instrument used to magnify small objects for clear viewing. It is essential to know how to handle and use it properly to get clear and accurate images of specimens. So let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to handle and use a light microscope effectively. Step 1. Carrying the microscope. When taking the microscope from the cabinet, hold it by the arm with one hand and support the base with the other. Keep it upright to prevent any damage. While carrying the microscope, avoid bumping it against the table or other objects. Step 2. Preparing the slide. Before placing the slide on the stage, make sure it's clean and dry. If there's any dirt or moisture on the slide or the specimen, it can affect the quality of the image. Also, check that the area you want to observe is in the center of the stage's hole. This center hole allows light to pass through the specimen for clear viewing. Step 3. Placing the slide on the stage. Securely place the slide on the stage clips to keep it in position. Make sure the slide is firmly attached to the clips so it doesn't move while you're refocusing or examining the specimen. Step 4. Starting with low power. Begin by rotating the nose piece to the 4x objective lens, which is usually the shortest lens. This low-power lens helps you get a general focus and find the specimen easily. Once you locate the specimen, you can then switch to a higher-power lens for a closer look. Step 5. Focusing the image. First, use the coarse adjustment knob to focus the image. This larger knob makes the lens move up and down more quickly. Rotate the diaphragm to adjust the amount of light passing through the specimen. To get a clear image, use the fine adjustment knob to make the image sharp and clear. This smaller knob allows for more precise focusing. Remember to always focus by moving the lens and specimen farther apart and never try to focus by moving them closer together. Bringing the lenses and specimen closer together could damage the microscope or the slide. Step 6. Using immersion oil. If you're using a 100x objective lens, place a small amount of immersion oil on the slide, just one drop in the center where the specimen is located. The oil helps to improve the clarity of the image when using high magnification. After focusing with the oil immersion lens, make sure to wipe off the excess oil from the slide and the lens to keep the microscope clean. Step 7. Cleaning the lenses. Keep the lenses clean and free from smudges and dirt. Use lens paper and alcohol for cleaning. Never use your fingers or other objects to clean the lenses, as this can leave smudges and affect the quality of the images. Step 8. Removing the slide. When you're done viewing the specimen, lower the stage to its lowest position and remove the slide from the stage clips. This prevents the slide from getting in the way during storage. Step 9. Storing the microscope. Once you've finished using the microscope, return it to its cabinet. These are the following steps to store the microscope. Set the 4x objective over the stage, lower the stage, fully turn off the light to save power. Set the oculars facing the back of the cabinet, wrap the cord neatly to prevent tangling, and put it back in the cabinet. Now that you know how to handle and use a light microscope, let's check your understanding with a quick review. Question 1. How should you carry the microscope? Answer. Hold the microscope by the arm with one hand and support the base with the other, keeping it upright and avoiding bumps. Question 2. Why should you start with the 4x objective lens when focusing? Answer. Starting with the 4x objective lens allows you to get a general focus and find the specimen easily before switching to higher magnification. Question 3. What should you do if the image is blurry? Answer. Check that the slide is clean and dry, that the specimen is in the center of the stage hole, and that there is enough light passing through the specimen. Adjust the diaphragm and use the fine adjustment knob to make the image sharp. Question 4. How do you use immersion oil with the microscope? Answer: use only 1 drop of immersion oil with the 100x objective lens and focus by moving the lens and specimen farther apart. Question 5. What should you do after viewing the specimen? Answer: lower the stage, remove the slide from the stage clips, clean the lenses, and put the microscope back in its cabinet. Congratulations on learning how to handle and use a light microscope. By following these simple steps, you can get clear and accurate images of your specimens and enjoy the fascinating world of microorganisms. We're here to help you learn and explore the wonders of science. Thanks for watching and happy microscoping. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.